Today we will be doing soda pop trying. This is something black. Punch out. Punch black or something. I don't know. Just pitch black. Sorry. Look how nice it is. How nice this bottle is. Purple. Let me taste a sip. I gotta stop doing it like when I'm. See, I'm gonna open it. Are you serious? Oh, cock out. It's grape flavored. I hate grape. It's okay. Yeah. Whew. Say bye, recruit. See you, recruits.